Planning a trip to Singapore? This island nation may be small, but it's packed with jaw-dropping sights, rich culture, and unforgettable experiences. This tiny island is full of huge surprises, from sky-high infinity pools to temples, beaches, and futuristic jungles. Here's everything you need to see and do in Singapore. Welcome to Global Vibes. Today, we bring you a travel guide through Singapore's top attractions, hidden gems, and cultural highlights, whether you're visiting for the first time or planning to return. Marina Bay Sands and SkyPark Observation Deck. Start your journey at Singapore's most iconic building, Marina Bay Sands. This luxury hotel dominates the skyline with its 3 towers and boat-shaped SkyPark on top. The rooftop SkyPark sits atop 3 hotel towers, offering unmatched panoramic views. It's home to the world's largest rooftop infinity pool. Though only hotel guests can swim, but for a small fee anyone can visit the SkyPark observation deck and take in panoramic views of the city, gardens by the bay, and the ocean beyond. It's especially stunning at sunset when the skyline lights up and the city's magic truly begins. Gardens by the Bay. Just across from Marina Bay Sands is Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic park home to the towering Super Tree Grove and 2 massive conservatories. Stroll beneath the Super Tree Grove, vertical gardens as tall as skyscrapers. At night, they come alive with a dazzling light and sound show called Garden Rhapsody. Step inside the cloud forest to find the world's tallest indoor waterfall cascading through misty vegetation. Or visit the Flower Dome where global plant life blooms under glass. Best tip: arrive just before sunset to catch the daylight views and stay for the light show after dark. Merlion Park and Marina Bay Walk. Merlion Park is home to the half-lion, half-fish statue that symbolizes Singapore fishing past and powerful future. Take a scenic walk along Marina Bay, capturing amazing views of the skyline, the Art Science Museum, and the light shows across the water. This is a must for first-time visitors. It's free, central, and offers one of the best selfie spots in town. Hawker Centres and Singaporean Cuisine. Singapore's heart beats in its food. Forget fine dining, hawker centers are where the real flavor lives. Lau Pa Sat is famous for satay skewers grilled outdoors. Maxwell Food Center is where you'll find the best Hainanese chicken rice. And don't miss laksa, chili crab, or kaya toast. The best part, it's delicious, fast, and affordable, usually under $5 per meal. Tip: look for the longest lines, locals always know the best stalls. Explore Little India, Chinatown, and Kampong Glam. Singapore is a cultural crossroads. Explore neighborhoods where history, faith, and flavor collide. In Little India, visit colorful temples and bustling markets. In Chinatown, explore the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and street food stalls. Kampong Glam is the Malay Muslim quarter, home to the Grand Sultan Mosque and Haji Lane, Singapore's trendiest street for murals, boutiques, and cafes. Sentosa Island, fun and relaxation. Need a beach break? Head to Sentosa Island, a resort playground filled with fun for all ages. Relax on Siloso Beach. Dive into attractions like Adventure Cove Water Park. Getting there is half the fun. Take a cable car for panoramic views as you glide across the bay. Here, you'll find Universal Studios Singapore SEA Aquarium, beaches, zip lines, and luxury resorts. It's fun for families and thrill seekers alike. Shopping at Orchard Road and Bugis Street. If shopping is your thing, Orchard Road is your paradise. 2.2 kilometers of luxury malls and international brands. For budget finds and souvenirs, visit Bugis Street, a massive indoor street market packed with fashion, snacks, and fun accessories. Tip: visit malls around lunchtime. Most have food courts on the basement level that locals love. Jewel Changi Airport, the final experience. Even if you're leaving, the adventure doesn't end. Singapore's Changi Airport is ranked the world's best, and for good reason. The Jewel Complex features the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Surrounded by a lush forest and shopping arcades, you'll also find shopping, dining, skynets, and a canopy park. Arrive early, trust us, you'll want extra time here. This airport is a destination in itself. Singapore may be small, but it's bursting with color, flavor, and futuristic charm. It's a place where every street tells a story. From sky gardens and street food to temples and tech, Singapore offers something for every traveler. Bonus travel tips and hidden gems: get an easy link card for easy train and bus travel. Use Grab app instead of taxis. Visit the southern ridges for hidden jungle trails and city views. Best time to visit: February to April. Most attractions are open year-round, and yes, Singapore is safe, clean, and incredibly welcoming to tourists. If this video helped you plan your trip, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Global Vibes for more travel inspiration. Comment below, what would you do first in Singapore?